What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This International Karibu Lamlam, and today we are in the heart of Nairobi city. We are giving a free haircut to everyone for free. This is a free donation, and the guy doing free haircut is called Daniel Atem Baba. He came all the way from South Sudan to come and do a free haircut here in Nairobi, Kenya. And the guy is here. We already have one person is cutting his hair. So it is an amazing thing, man. So you have to be aware that we have a free haircut anytime, whenever we come to the town, man. We are trying to help the city. We want to look fresh, we want to look clean. Let's look clean, all of us, and let's stay clean. Yeah. This is within Nairobi, Kenya, man. This is the main town. A lot of places are here. And we have legends there. I will go and show you guys the legends. The one with tattoos. These are the legends, man. Yo. These are the legends. Their stories here. You can read the story from 18. So this is kind of amazing, man. So we are here and we are doing something great, and we are helping the city to look fresh. You need free haircut. We are doing free haircut there. You want to cut your hair? Let me go and look for some people to cut their hair. But this one is the best haircut. But I don't know why they are feeling like it is terrible. Let's look for someone. What's up, guys?
Bro.
Good?
Yeah, good, bro.
YouTuber, my name is Lam.
Okay, what's up?
I'm doing free haircut to everyone. Do you need free haircut?
It's okay.
How about him? It's for free, you are not paying anything.
Yes.
Why are you guys feeling shy?
You're not feeling shy, bro. You're cool, man.
Okay, man. This place is really busy, as you can see, man. Still looking for people to come and cut their hair for free. People that are fearing, I don't know why. Thank you. And him, what's your name?
Hiram. Yes.
Yeah. How about you?
Me, I'm Kenyan. I'm out of
Kenyan.
Yeah, Kenya.
Today we are doing free haircut. How do you feel? Which kind of hairstyle do you want?
For me, I want just here, as it's coming now, as if it's growing. That style, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's called Jordan, something like that.
Yeah. As if it's Jordan, as if not, I have a bit like that one. That one is coming.
Hey, yeah. No problem.
I want the bold.
The bald one.
The bold one, Kipara. In
Kipara.
Kenya, we could say Kipara Kiswahili.
Kipara. Okay.
Yeah, Kipara.
That's nice one. So, how long you been here in Kenya?
I'm a Kenyan citizen. I'm a Kenyan citizen. Born in Kenya.
Raised in
All
Kenya?
of the rest of I'm about 65 years old.
Oh, okay.
I'm 65 years old.
You are staying within Nairobi or which side?
And I come Nairobi. I say in Nairobi. I come from Western Butere.
Okay.
Butere.
I've seen these legends, but I don't know their names.
Oh, these are the freedom fighters.
Freedom fighters.
These are the freedom fighters. Those who fought for freedom.
Okay.
In Kenya.
Wow.
Who chased away the white Europeans.
The colonized.
The colonizers.
Yeah. Okay.
Now we are free.
We are free.
And that's how we allow every kind of nationality
To come. Wow.
Because we are a free nation.
Yeah.
Yes.
Today we are doing free haircut to the street, and we are helping Kenyans. I'm a South Sudanese but based in Kenya.
Yes.
Yeah.
That is good. That's
good.
Good cohesion. It shows that neighboring countries we can coexist and live together.
Wow.
If your Sudanese can shave me free, when I come there, you are my friend.
Yeah, my friend.
Thank you.
We are already friends.
We are friends.
Yeah.
Yes.
What is your message to every Kenyan watching this video right now?
think it is very good message and a good example to come out from another country to come and give help in Kenya. And let us, as a Kenyans, cooperate together so to make sure that we are moving in love.
Yeah. That is a very nice message. Let me ask my friend.
Oh yes.
What's your message to every Kenyan watching this video?
Sometimes we need to what we call social responsibility. Give to the society.
Yeah. You need to have impact to the society.
To change society.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's good to give what you have, give to society. What you are doing, you are giving to society.
That is nice.
To own advantage.
That is nice.
Yes.
You guys have seen from our friends here, so we are going to give them free haircut. He need ball, and him he need Jordan 1.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Yes.
How to make people feel amazed with your work? It's just a work act. Even you are just doing a work.
This is the guy that are cutting his hair, so he's very happy and he's waiting for result. You know, our work is super clean, bro. If you want free haircut, come to us here. We shall do for you free haircut, free of charge, without money. We are just doing it here, a free donation to everybody. We are doing this charity for free. Yeah, man. So you subscribe and let's go up, man.
My name is Peter from Tour guys here, Nairobi Town.
Okay. How about you?
Hey, my name is John. We are from Nairobi. Welcome to Nairobi City.
So you are tour guide for these guys?
Yeah, we have.
So how long they've been here?
We've been tour guides for 2 years, and we love showing people our city. Nairobi is a big city, very beautiful, and we like showing the history, modernity, the culture, the food, and the fun that people come and enjoy in Nairobi.
Wow. Yeah. It's like you guys know so much about Nairobi. Even me, I'm Sudanese who just come to visit. So I need also tour guide one day.
Okay,
How much is your payment?
The tour, we do tour from $20. For a local person or somebody from within, you can even pay us $10, but you get to see Nairobi. We get to show you the local Nairobi, and also we get you get to interact with the local people.
Where are the fun places?
Yeah, we take people to Uhuru Park, where is the biggest park in the city.
Uhuru Park?
We also take people to the KICC rooftop, where they can see a 360 view of the city. We take people to the old Macmillan Library, so that they can get to see the history and the books. Then we take people to the mosque, where they get to see the Islamic side, and also the church, the Catholic church, and other Protestant church. And also we take people to the government building. They get to see the tall buildings, and also we get to see the business side, the market. Also we do that. Those are private tours. We take people to outside the city, like the museum, the National Museum. We take people to Giraffe Center, the Elephant Orphanage, but those are private tours.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like how much do you guys charge when you are taking
that is a customized tour, depending with the car you want to use. We can also get a VIP.
Okay.
So depending with the places and the time that you want to spend with us.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice. How is my friend? My name is Lam. I'm a YouTuber. Hi. When did you guys come here?
We are on the city tour.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you guys. They're on the city tour, so